Hey guys, Dr. Roach again, coming for day 4 vaccine, after the vaccine. So I will let you guys know, this video I'll talk about what the EUA is, emergency use authorization, and then also some side effects that they actually give out in the brochure. So day 4 after the vaccine, sorry I didn't do day 3, but yesterday I had Christmas with a small group of family, and basically I'm working next week, so we did Christmas a little bit early. So had fun yesterday, so I didn't have any side effects, so I didn't have anything to report. So here's where I got my vaccine. As you see, no swelling, no tenderness. Well, you can't see tenderness, but I have no tenderness, no swelling, no change in color or anything like that. So I am doing well after the vaccine. Didn't have any side effects really, minus the first 24-30 hours. And it was basically just some muscle pain, injection site tenderness is what I had. So I'm actually in a few doctor groups online, and basically that muscle pain, tenderness, headaches, and just some fatigue were the big side effects I saw from other physicians that were getting the vaccine as well. This group has I don't even want to guess, but probably over 2,000 or 5,000 physicians in these various groups, and that's pretty much the big side effects that I've seen people report. So overall, it's been actually pretty, sounds like not a lot of side effects in general. So hopefully that reassures you as you're making your decision. So first topic, so emergency use authorization. You probably have seen that term EUA, use, and basically this means that we're in some kind of emergency situation, pandemic. So us being in this pandemic right now is basically the FDA, the Federal Drug Administration, Food and Drug Administration. Basically what they will do is they approve all the foods and drugs that kind of go in your body. So everything that you walk down the aisle and you see is everything is not FDA approved, but they are, if it is FDA approved, it goes through this one agency basically in all of the United States. So the FDA, one day I'm going to go down like Walmart, Target, Owl, and I'm actually going to make a little video and talk about, what to look for in different products and what FDA approved actually means. So basically this vaccine had a short review. And basically what that means is for that EUA, it's a short, basically emergency use. There are no other alternatives out there. And basically this is shown to be beneficial, and that's why it got the emergency use. So the statement basically says the FDA decision to base this on the total of the scientific evidence available showing that this product may be effective to prevent COVID-19 during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the known and potential benefits of this product outweigh the known and potential risks of the product. So they basically met all the criteria for use of this product to treat patients during COVID-19. So this is how the vaccine got approved. So I took the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. So I'm not sure if Moderna's vaccine has been approved yet. It wasn't as of Friday or Saturday, but I've kind of been hanging with family, so I'm not really sure if it's approved yet. But that's the other one that's on the market. So basically, when you got the vaccine, you always get like a vaccine information sheet. It's passed out. In pediatrics, we give out a lot of vaccines. So it's passed out every time you give vaccines. But this one is basically the fact sheet for recipients and caregivers. So this is the VIS, you can kind of say, for the COVID-19 vaccine that they actually gave us at the hospital. And basically this is for anybody that was given this vaccine. They probably got this same packet that is available, I believe, online. So there are basically about 12 risks that they report for the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. The tiredness, site pain, injection site pain, tiredness, and headache were the most 3 common side effects. And those are basically the side effects that I was telling you about in the different groups that I have seen that other physicians have had, okay? Other side effects, muscle pain. So it's inserted in a muscle. You're going to have some muscle pain. Chills, joint pain, Fever is a possible side effect. Injection site swelling or injection site redness. Nausea, feeling like you're going to throw up. Feeling unwell, having some swollen lymph nodes. So that's kind of like in here. You may have some under your armpits. You have lymph nodes all over your body, but some of them can swell up as your body reacts to the vaccine to build those antibodies. And then again, with anything you're given, basically you have a remote chance of having a severe anaphylaxis. So, excuse me. That severe anaphylaxis basically happens within that first 15 minutes to 60 minutes, which is why after some vaccines, they have you sit there for 15 minutes, and it's just to kind of watch, because that anaphylaxis is going to happen immediately after. So you can't say, oh, I'm severely allergic to this, I had it 4 days ago. It doesn't happen that way. Or I had it 7 days ago, which is how a lot of people actually have amoxicillin reactions. They are not necessarily anaphylaxis or allergic reactions if they happen 4 to 7 days after. Usually that allergic reaction is going to happen in that first hour. And that's anaphylaxis. It doesn't mean that you don't have some discomfort to it and have common side effects. But having side effects and having a reaction are totally different. So the severe allergic reaction would be if you have difficulty breathing, you have swelling of your face, your throat, your fast heartbeat, so you're tachycardic. If you have a bad rash, it's usually all over your body. It's diffuse, meaning everywhere on your body. So your face, your stomach, your legs, stuff like that. And then if you have some dizziness or weakness. So anytime you have problems breathing and then other GI kind of symptoms, vomiting, stuff like that, immediately after reaction is considered anaphylaxis. So those are definitely reasons to go to somewhere emergency department as soon as possible. But this is basically summarizing the data that they gave in this paper. Hopefully it was helpful. Let me know what you guys want to hear over the next 2 weeks. Basically, I'll do it for about 10 more days, talk about COVID-19 and kind of my reactions. I, of course, have not had many side effects. Doesn't mean you cannot have side effects farther out, but I'll definitely cover some of this, cover whatever you guys want to hear. Leave a comment on Facebook, leave a comment on YouTube. Let me know what you guys want to hear about. Have a good one.